keyword research with WriteSonic.com. So we are on the main website. We will go on the left and choose from the SEO tools, keyword research. And over here, you can enter a topic, for example, travel. And it will show you a volume in different states, difficulty, how tough is to rank for this keyword or similar one, cost per click, how CPUs budget friendly it is, or traffic potential. You can also look on same terms or related ones, for example, these which aren't similar but are mostly related, also rank for, or competitors' terms. Over down, you can also find a list of the top ranking web pages for this keyword, so Reddit, Expedia Travel, Travelocity, and so on. To just find this keyword, it will take you 1 credit, so be careful with it. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.